This is the Fluval C3, up to a 50-gallon tank, 5-stage filtration. That's what it looks like shipped. We can take a look at what you get in the box. Uses a 2-prong outlet, pretty long cord. It's pretty much set up and ready to go. Of course, you're going to want to flush it and get it set up. There are some instructions in here for you to let you know how to get it ready. But essentially, it's set up, ready to go. There's another box in here that has the ingredients for it, as well as the downspout or the pickup tube, I guess. And super well made, pretty quiet to run. And this is a 5-stage filter that'll work up to a 50-gallon tank. Very popular. Fluval C3. Hope this helps.